Yes guys, what is happening, and welcome back to a brand new video on the crash damaged Audi S1. And today we are hopefully going to get this bad boy back on the road. She deserves it. I can't wait to see what it's like. You know, the mad thing is, about 7-8 years ago, I've always wanted one of these. I literally went to view one in the Audi showroom, and here it is. It is nearly ready to be on the road and driving. So few things to do. Apparently people had a comment the other day. I'm going to link it, I'm going to put it there. Apparently I'm not a spanner man. I am a car enthusiast. I love cars, I love looking at them, I love driving them, I love sending them, I love listening to them, and I love working on them. So before you comment stuff like that, and you probably pay people to fit Maxton splitters to your car, I have no idea what I'm doing. I am not saying I'm a mechanic, I am not saying I'm anything, but you know what I have got? I give it a go, and that is all I do. So whether it's good, whether it's bad, I'll show it you. So yeah, I know people saying, oh, don't use WD-40. Well, I've learnt my lesson and I use it, and that is what it's all about. We make mistakes and we learn from them. So yeah, here we go. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that madness, and let's get this show on the road. So let's go. So as we come into the car, yeah, as you can see, the front end is looking a bit sorry for itself. So what we're going to do, we're going to open up the bonnet. We need to sort out the coolant, because there was a coolant leak, as you saw in the last videos. The radiator got smashed to bits, it ruined the hose and the radiator. So we've got a new airtec one to fit. Hopefully we can line the brackets up and get it going. So yeah, I'm going to open up the bonnet, show you, remove the bumper, and then we're going to go from there and hopefully go from coolant, headlights, front bumper, then bleed the brakes, and then hopefully we might be able to drive it. So let's go. Right, so as you can see here, it literally, like, when it snapped, it took a tiny little chunk out here, but it's going to go on to the pipe like that much, so it's only the end that butts up against the top of the pipe. So look, if I go on there, as long as I put my Jubilee after the rib there, it's going to be completely fine, to be honest. So I'm just going to put this back on here like so, put this little Jubilee on that I found, and bolt this up. But then I need to sort out the bracket, because the bracket has bent a little bit, so hopefully we can sort that out. Just looked too long, like it was going to damage the it was going to damage something, so just made it a bit smaller. Right, so now we're going to put some coolant in. I believe this is the one. I ordered this from GSF Car Parts, put my reg in, said I needed coolant, so yeah, I'm just going to slap this in until it fills up. I'm not actually just going to bleed it just yet, because I haven't got a back box installed to the car, so obviously I'm going to have to start it, run it, let it get up heat. But it ran fine when I put water in it, so yeah, I'm just going to top it up until it goes to max, and then I'll leave it, because it'll probably, gravity, it'll probably drop down anyway. So yeah, going to slap some coolant in it anyway. Ready, I can't spill any. Okay, right, so that's just above max, so I'm hoping it will slowly drop down. So let's show you. Yeah, see, it's just above max. Hopefully it will drop down a little bit, so let gravity drop it down. Right, so it's not leaking coolant. There's me thinking the microphone's on the camera, but it's not, it's on my chest. No coolant's leaking out of it. I have topped up the windscreen washer, but it's on the jets on the bumper, so it's leaking windscreen washer, which is not a big problem at all. I just wanted to see if it will drop, if any coolant will drop out of it, to be fair. I might turn it off, to be fair, because I think it's too loud. That idle does sound a bit crap, you know. Could be because of the exhaust and that. But she's holding coolant, which is good. Right, so as you can see, coolant is pretty nice. Let it warm up a little bit. It didn't get to 90 degrees, but it is so loud. I don't want to annoy. My nan's neighbours hate this car as it is, just because apparently it looks horrible because it's crashed. So I'm not going to do the redding anymore. Just kind of bled it. Heat is on full. Revved it 3000 RPM for 10-20 seconds. I did put some screen wash in, but it looks like it's dripping out from there. So yeah, I'm gonna put the headlight in. Try and get the front end all ready, really. Oh, I need to do the bracket. I need to do the bracket for the coolant. That is another thing. So yeah, let's get on it. So there we got one headlight in, which looks lovely, and then on the next one we've just got to remove all these. So I'm going to TX, I think there's TX everywhere, and I'm just literally going to swap the modules over and hope that this works. This headlight actually still does work, but obviously the damage inside it unfortunately doesn't work anymore. I was hoping to save this, but yeah, I think it might be too far gone. Look, it's all split around the back and that as well. Oh, it's a shame really. So there is quite a few connectors, so I'm going to have to take this really easy because I've got this, like that one there is not even in there, but we've got this one. So I'm going to have to like, see that white one there is there, but this one is connected to that, which that one hasn't got yet. So I'm just going to have to take the good from that and put it on there, and hopefully it works when I'm finished. We have actually got the lights on now, so the lights are on, they're all hooked up. The only thing is, this bit is a bit broke. So I might have to take that off, you know, because I think the bracket for it there, and I think there might have been something there, but that's not there anymore, so I might have to remove that. This one isn't too bad. That was quite solid, to be fair, so we can get away with that one. I don't know. I think it's just going to rattle like hell, I think. So the big boy airtec radiator is now on, looking good. I've done the best I possibly could with that bracket, trying to bend it in place. I can't find them anywhere. If anyone can find them, please let me know, because I can't find them anywhere. But yeah, time for the front bumper. Let's get it on. Right guys, so we have a semi kind of bumper on. There is a few things that I didn't realise were broke, but now I do. I haven't got a bracket for the driver's side bumper, so where like there's a bracket that bolts in there that sits behind here, and it basically, like, the bolts slide in here, so I can't actually bolt this side of the bumper up, whereas this side, it's not the greatest fitment yet. I still need to mess with the headlight and get the headlight sitting properly, but it's not actually that bad, to be honest with you. Like, I'm loving that. Like, look from here. Oh mate, it looks pretty good. So yeah, still need to adjust that. This side, I don't know what I'm going to do, because I'm actually going to have to buy the radiator, the bracket. So damn. Right then guys, so I think apart from getting the car aligned properly, painted, I do need to sort the bracket out for this side and sort the passenger side out. The bonnet is sitting a little bit higher, as you can see with the gap there, but it is looking night and day difference, man. Honestly, I'm so excited. So yeah, on that one guys, yeah, we're gonna get our MOT next. We are gonna get Manny to paint it, get it all nice and one colour and that, so it looks to nuts. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed this one. I'll see you on the next one, so let's get it.